Okay, so we're gonna start over here with Knuckles' hand, right? So his glove is gonna be curved. Curve around here. We're gonna start over here. We're gonna keep going over here around the back of Knuckles' thumb. And we're gonna pull in here to kind of the front of his glove. This is right before he hits the smackdown, right? Right before he hits Sonic down. Right now he's stopping Sonic midair. It's a scene from the movie. And this is right before he's about to smack him down. So over here, line over here for the ball of Sonic, that Sonic ball. And it's pretty big. It's probably gonna go off the page there, obviously, because we're looking at it perspective-wise. And let's go here to the other side of his palm. Right here, the glove. Underneath, you have Knuckles' glove on that side. Okay, let's go over here on this side. Line for the cuff of the glove here. Line over here. And I'm gonna curve, make that evidently curvy. Another curve as well. Line over here. All right, if you want, you can throw a curve right there for the palm of the glove. And this is a movie version of them, so we're gonna draw a line over here and a line over here at the bottom over here. We're kind of just like the glove facing there. Okay, so let's go over here to the arm, and as I go into the arm, it's gonna go into the shoulder. So right here, I'm gonna draw kind of zigzaggy because this is the movie version. He's kind of furry. Top of the shoulder. Go over here on this side. Line over here. And he's kind of arching his back, right? So he's gonna have an arch right here in his back. So this is gonna go down, and as it goes down, I'm gonna zigzag my line over here to make it look more furry, right? Like more realistic furry. Curve of his chest. So right there, you got the curve of his chest. And so there's a lot of gravity going on, so it won't be as furry at the top there. But we're gonna do that same curve on this side. Again, zigzagging on the way down. And so on. Line over here for his crotch area, and it's gonna go down. Same thing over here to find that other leg. Okay, so now let's go over here and draw his head. So he's got his face dug into his chest area. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna find his mouth, but his mouth is gonna be sticking out over here. It's gonna be dug into his chest, it's gonna be behind it. So far side of the mouth, curve. Okay, over here on this side, we're gonna find the other part of the mouth over here on this side, maybe on the right over here, curve like so. And right here, we're gonna find the center. It's gonna be the nose, pointed nose, curve. Over here on this side, curve right there for under the eye. Okay, under the eye. And out over here. And honestly, I think I might end it before that area. And I'm gonna make that part of the dread, but you'll see how I do that. Over here as well, underneath. Underneath the eye. Furrowing of the eyebrow area. Right here. Line up. Out. Down. Okay. This is gonna extend out into the dreadlock that he has. Let's go over here to this side. We're gonna go this eye. Up. Out over here. Down. And what we're gonna do right here is we're gonna have a little bit of a line there, but otherwise we're gonna fill in the rest of the nose. Nose is black. And we're gonna go to the eye. We're gonna start with this one. Line right here. And line down. So as you can tell, the bottom of the eye and the top of the eye are both kind of hidden because he's squinting. Over here on this side, curve. You can see a sliver of that side of the eye. But there, he's looking right at the ball, right, that he's blocking. Cool. Line over there for kind of the brow area, the kind of furrowedness in the brow. Let's go over here to the mouth real fast. So we're gonna go over here. Almost kind of a smile, not really, but then it's gonna go down into the chest. Line over here into the chest. Kind of a thin line above it, and then a thin line over here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fill in the middle line because that's gonna be his open mouth as he's kind of yelling. Line, line, line. Finding the split in the teeth. That's showing up. And let's go over here and find the dread on that tendril on the far side. It's gonna be pretty big. It's gonna curve down. And as I go down, I'm gonna be forming that zigzag, okay? Forming that zigzag over here. Pull up. All right. Pulling toward into the head here. Line over here for that area. And let's come over here, and now we're gonna go to the top of that head. He's got a pretty big dome. Out over here. And then down, same thing. Over here as well. Down on this side, and then the other part of the dreadlock there. You can throw another one back here because it's probably gonna have another one. And maybe throw a little bit of thicker line around the eye. Because it kind of has that look sometimes. And then center of the eye over here. I'm gonna leave the highlight in the middle because he's looking right at the highlight, which is literally Sonic spinning there. Curve line up, and then right here, same thing with this tendril. You could kind of have it go up there. It's gonna make him look more like kind of that movie version. And he's got his hand raised back there. This is, remember, it's right before he smacks him down. So it's gonna have this elbow maybe coming out over here, this area. And I'm gonna lead up, okay? You're only gonna see a bit of it. Around here, maybe. Line out. Not over here. Up. Out. Line over here. Up. That's his glove, right? He has it raised. Curve his knuckle out. Down just a bit. You're gonna see his closed fist right there, and that's gonna be a little bent, right? And if you really want, you can throw in a little bit of the thin, very thin line, because it is kind of like this boxing gloves thing, and then draw the spike over here on this side, spike over here on this side, just to kind of keep it real. All right, let's go over here to the chest, that crescent, and it'll be something like that because he's leaning his chest so far up. Like that. Again, because of that chest. So something I want to do now is, just to kind of finish it off, is I want to draw a thin line around the contour. I mean, a slightly thicker line. Sorry, I got my hand in the way, by the way. It'll be out in a minute. But I want a slightly thicker line around just the outside. And this one already has an adequate line. But I want it all over him. The reason I want to do that is because I want to call focus. And it just looks good. It's good line art to do that to around the contour of stuff. It just makes things look pretty good. Maybe even right here a little bit because this is coming forward. So I could even do the same thing here, just a bit, not much. Line over here. Let's go down over here to the hair tendril thing, the dreadlock or whatever you call it. Then keep it going down here with the body, and I want to keep the crunchiness of this because it's kind of a close-up shot. Go over here on this side. If you like the Knuckles Sonic movie, hit that like. That's gonna let me know. Definitely hit that like. Let me know what you think of maybe more scenes. More scenes. This one's a little bit forward to it. You could even do it a little bit here, but not all the way. A little bit here, not all the way. But I want to thank you for watching. If you got to this point, you know, reach out to me, say hi, and that'll let me know that you got to the very end of the video. Kind of lets me know that, hey, you're a big Sonic fan. But yeah, let me know what you think. That's pretty much it. This is Sonic, and this is Knuckles. All right, talk to you later.
All right, and if you want to keep learning how to draw and keep pushing your skills, go right here to this video on here on this side. That video I put because it's the exact same theme as the video you just saw, and it I like it as a bit of a pair. So absolutely go check that out right now. Another short video.